Welcome to Juliet Kitchen with Chef Yasmin. Today's recipe is this amazingly healthy and delicious quinoa with ground turkey. Before we get started, please be kind and hit the subscribe button. Thank you. If you're already a subscriber, I appreciate you. You can get the written recipe on our food blog at julietkitchen.com. I like to use this 3-quart Le Creuset pot. Heat the pot using medium heat and add in extra virgin olive oil. Saute the onions and peppers for about 2 to 3 minutes and be sure to add a sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Once the onions and peppers are softened and smell fragrant, I add in fresh chopped garlic and ground coriander. Give it a nice stir. Cook 30 to 60 seconds. I add in 1 pound of ground turkey. I'm using dark turkey ground meat here, but you can use white meat if you prefer. The back of a spatula or wooden spoon can be used to break up the meat, but also a potato masher does a fabulous job reducing the lumps of the turkey. Continue cooking the turkey until all of the liquid has evaporated that the turkey meat has released, and use the back of the spatula or potato masher to continue breaking up any lumps. Season with salt and fresh ground black pepper. Cooking the turkey until it's no longer pink with the onions and peppers takes approximately 6 to 8 minutes. The list of ingredients are in the description, and get the detailed recipe on our food blog. Here I add in tomatoes that I've diced and seeded. Give it a nice mix. Cook 2 to 3 minutes or until the tomato starts to break down. Pour in water or stock. For this recipe, I prefer to use boiling water. Give it a nice stir. I like to use organic quinoa. This is 1 cup of organic quinoa, but you can use any type of quinoa that you prefer. Give it a nice stir to incorporate with the turkey and vegetable mixture. Taste for seasoning and adjust as needed. Cover with a tight lid. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer for 15 to 17 minutes until all of the liquid has absorbed. At this stage, although the liquid has evaporated, the quinoa will feel a little bit damp. Now it's a good time for me to add in some fresh cilantro. Give it a nice stir. Cover the pot with a tight lid. Allow to rest 10 minutes. Look at this. It looks so beautiful. It's fluffy and it's no longer damp. Wow, it smells incredibly delicious in here. I can't wait to dig into this. I hope you'll try this recipe and enjoy it as much as we do around here. Be sure to leave a comment once you make it. Happy cooking!